Hello everyone, my name Ebam, and this time I will create simple house modeling for a game. Okay, first thing, I go to customize and make sure in unit setup in matter and maybe one unit maybe centi and press OK and press OK. Okay, now I create a box and now maybe length okay, 12 maybe, and here 4 okay, maybe 6 meter and 6 meter and height maybe 3. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, now I have here, and in front I have 6 meters by 3 meters. Okay, now I go to modifier, edit poly. Okay, like this, and now go to polygon and select the top polygon, and I go to bevel. In bevel I add here maybe 1.5, maybe like this. Okay, and I press apply, and now in outline I change to 0 and height maybe 2.3, maybe like this. Okay, and I add outline amount maybe maybe like this. And press OK. Now you have a house like this. And now I change. Okay, now I add material, and I choose this, and okay, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 material, and I go to here, and here I add a name, maybe house mat. Okay, maybe like this, and I go to standard and I choose multi-sub object and discard old material, and now I set a number maybe 4 and press OK. And I change here okay, and now I go to here, select this polygon front from house, and go to here and add 1, enter, and now I create this polygon and I change 2 and enter, and now go to right and select here and here, and add 3, and now go here and select 4. Okay, maybe like this. And now go to Photoshop. Okay, I use Photoshop 7. And I have image. I just create with my camera, and this is color, and maybe I drag here, and okay, here, and now okay, this is I change the size, and if I back to my house here in Bob, I have 6 by 3, and in Photoshop I change size. I create a new size, maybe front house, okay, like this, and with 600 by 300, like this, and press OK. Now I have this, and I go to here, go to move tool, click and drag to your project. Okay, I delete, and I click and drag to my project, okay, like this, and go to here, free transform, press CTRL and main negative, and go to here, press shift to make a proportion, and okay, maybe like this, double click or enter. Okay, press CTRL and plus. Now I go to here, this is my Windows, and I go to image, okay, go to rotate, and okay, maybe like this, and now I just select like this, okay, and click drag. Okay, go to move tool, click and drag. Okay, now you have like this, and I change maybe the height 2 meter, maybe like this, and right click, free transform, and CTRL min, press shift. Okay, and okay, maybe like this, and enter or double click, and now I add a guide like this, and maybe like this, and okay, in bottom like this, and I select with polygon lasso tool and click okay, I change the position of guide. Okay, and now I make a selection here and here, here, and press space. And now you have like this, and right click, select inverse, delete. Okay, just it. And now you add a guide again. Okay, like this, and maybe like this, and okay. Now I right click, free transform, and distort. And you can make your windows like this. Okay, now double click, and now you have windows, and right click, free transform, go here. Okay, double click, and you can add maybe like this, and okay, I want to adjust my guide. Okay, and now I create a selection, click and drag, right click, select inverse, delete. Okay, now I have like this, and I delete my guide. Okay, maybe I add 2 or 3 windows, maybe like this, and I just go to move tool, press shift, and make like this, and maybe okay, maybe 3, press shift and drag to right. Okay, maybe like this. And now I go to here, and next in another video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Okay, next I create a door. This is my door, and with move tool I click and drag. Okay, like this, and go to selection tool, free transform, and CTRL negative, and press shift to make a proportion. Enter, and CTRL plus to zoom in. And now I right click, free transform, and right click, go to here, and now I have a door, and go to here, press shift to make a proportion, and go to here, double click. Now I add selection in my here with polygon, click, and okay, maybe here, and okay, I have like this, and right click, select inverse, delete. Okay, just like this, and zoom in. And now I go to, maybe I add, okay, maybe 2 meter indoor, and go here, okay, like this, and right click, free transform, and okay, okay, maybe like this. Okay, maybe like this, and right click, distort, and CTRL plus to zoom in, and here I create like this, and here okay, and maybe okay, like this, and like this, okay, double click, and right click again, free transform, and okay, double click, and now CTRL, zoom out, and now I choose rectangular tool, and select here, right click, select inverse, delete. Okay, now I have like this, and I delete my guide. Okay, now I have like this, and I go to file, save for web, and I save to my project, to Unity. Okay, and I choose Unity project, here, asset, and material. Okay, material, front house, GPG, and save. And now go to 3dsMax and go to material, and here I choose material 1, select bitmap, go to your folder, material, and like this. And now show map in viewport, assign material to selection. Okay, now I have like this. If you go here, you have a house, front house. Okay, and I create maybe here. And now I go to Photoshop again, and I need new, and I change the size 12. Okay, like this. Then 300, 1200, and 300, and press OK. And now I go to my project, Unity project, and here and material, I have this, and I drag to my Photoshop and click and drag to here, and right click, free transform, right click, flip horizontal, and okay, I like this. And here I need a background here, and I go to here, I select this and press like this. Okay, now you have to like this, and maybe you select a door and drag to your project, and okay, maybe like this. And okay, maybe I need windows, and I create a guide. And I choose my windows, and clone again. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, and I go to file, save for web, and site house, maybe like this, site house, and save. And I go to here and turn off another layer, and go to here, save for web, and wall. Okay, and save. Okay, I go to Unity 3D and go to material editor, and go back to parent, and go back again, and I choose bitmap, and I choose site house. Press open and go to parent again, 3, and go to here, bitmap, and choose wall. Press open and go to parent, and here maybe I add a color. Okay, maybe like this, and okay, maybe like this, and go to parent, and now I have material for my house, and this Okay, if you preview, you have house like this. And okay, maybe I close it. Okay, maybe like this. And thank you for watching. Maybe this sample, a simple house, can help you to make a component to your game. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time in other tutorial. Goodbye.